Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? Nigel? Are you on the beer rug? Huh? Yeah, it's nice and warm. It's nice and warm today. It's hot outside even. Yeah. Yeah, honey munch. Hi, Guy. Hi, Guy. What are you looking at? Are you looking at the pretty curtains? And all the animals on the curtains, huh? Yoo-hoo. Jody. Hi, little mister. Hi, little mister. You kicking your feet? Are you kicking your feet everywhere? Yeah? Hi, Guy. Hi, Guy. Hi, little man. Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, that's happening all the time. Making cheese. The cheese factory. When did the cheese factory go in? What? Tell me. Huh? What is it? What is it? Did you have a good sleep? Not really. Kinda. Sorta. Yeah, sorta. Couple hours here and there, huh? Yeah. But now you're awake, huh? And kicking those feet down there. Oh my goodness, they're going everywhere. They're going everywhere. Whose hands are those? Whose hands do you have? What a big eyes. Big, big eyes. Hi. Hi. Hi, little mister. Hi, little mister. Oh. What? Hi. 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 Yeah. Hi. Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me stories. Tell you stories. Tell me a story. What's your story, little man? Huh? What's your story, little man? Yeah. You have a kitty cat? Do you hear Liney in the other room? What's he doing? Here, let's go on this side. Ready? Oh, oh goodness. Let's run over this side. Hi. Hi again. Hi again. Yeah. Hi. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Oh, there's the kitty cat. Kitty cat. And Kitty will come say hi to you? Is Liney gonna come say hi to you? Look at you on that big bear. Yeah. Those are cute noises you make, you know. Yeah, they're cute noises that you make. Yeah, they are. Oh, where you going? Rolling around everywhere. Yeah. Tell me. Tell me. Little man. Can you sing? Can you sing a song? Oh. What, you looking out the window again? You looking out the window again? I don't need that yucky thing, huh? See, Mommy tried to take my picture naked on a rug, and then I peed all over it. And then I threw up on his head. That's what I did. Yeah, that's what you did. Oh, goodness. You're a little pee-pee boy. You're a little pee-pee boy looking out the window. You're a little pee-pee boy looking out the window. What do you see out there, huh? You want to go outside today? Oh, I want to kiss you. Alright, I should get ready while you're happy, huh? I should get dressed while you're happy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Look at that roly-poly belly. And those sticky legs. That makes diapers kind of hard to fit you. Big belly and sticky legs. Silly man. Yeah. You're a silly guy. You're a silly guy. Yeah. Yeah. Jolie boy. Joe. Joe. Little Jolie man. Yeah.